rice. So what you're gonna need is your, whatever the fuck this is, Zoji Ruishi, made in Japan, authentic, modern, induction rice cooker. This thing, this is what you need to make the perfect rice. What you're gonna do is you're gonna measure out 3 scoops. I use this plastic scoop. But 3 scoops of this type of rice. We got the Thai home Japanese rice. I think it's from Costco. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it to the sink. You're gonna fill it up with water, right? And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna rinse it. You're gonna pour it out without pouring out. I'm only doing this with one hand, by the way, so it proves how good of an Asian I am. Don't spill out any of the other rice. Do it again, right? Do it again. I'm gonna pour out the cloudy water. You're gonna keep doing this until it's semi-clear, or until you don't want to do it anymore, right? Trying to get the extra rice off my fingers, and then okay. And now, since the water is not as cloudy, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just fill it to the line 3. Because I put in 3 scoops. So now what I'm gonna do is put it in here. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna plug it in. Alright. And then what we're gonna do here is it automatically has it set to white rice regular. So we're just gonna nuke it. And then we're gonna wait 55 minutes until it's done.